In this video, let's talk about how to fix X cannot block user. So if you're facing this issue within the X platform, the first thing that you can immediately try out is try to clear out the app cache. Simply hop out of the application, tap and hold the app, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear cache and clear all data. If you tap on clear all data, it will delete any sort of corrupted files which might be causing the issue, and you also will get logged out of your account. So try to log in back and try to see if the issue is resolved. If this is not the case for you, it might also be a platform issue. So in this situation, what you need to do is use a web browser. So open up Chrome or Safari depending upon your device or a browser that you use, and simply head over to x.com, log into your account, and try to see if you can block the user from the web version. If the web version is also having issue, this is likely happening due to the server side issue of X. So in this situation, you just need to wait out a couple of minutes, sometimes even a couple of hours, before the issue is automatically resolved. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.